Okay guys, look what came in. Yep, my Eagle Global anchor. It is huge. Look at that. And it fits perfectly. This is just what I wanted for that wall right there. That's the Bernina. Table's messy. Oh yeah. Just in case you've noticed, yeah, somebody's about to start doing some free motion here. But, hey guys, so I got it on the wall now. So the bottom layer I took off. So the black portion is attached to the wall. So all I need to do really now is to use that little scraper thing there. Make sure that it's all applied to the wall and then unpeel it. But I think it went on pretty good. Yeah, I think it went on pretty good. So we're gonna scrape this thing and then take the white top portion off. And we should have our Eagle Global anchor applied to our wall. All right, so the wall's not looking bland anymore. One of those things where you can't just pull it straight off. Yep, the bend in the paper is what keeps the applique decal on the wall. If you were to pull it straight away, then it would come with it. All right, so I finally got my supersized Eagle Global anchor. So you'll never confuse whose room this is, okay? This isn't the combat quilter's room. This is the quilted room's room. Yes, I've heard of it. Anything's great for any kind of veteran. This will help. Quilting helps. All right, look at that. Man, that's awesome. I love it. Look at that. My own Eagle Global anchor on my wall. You can't beat that. The only thing that's missing is I painted the wall in camo, and my wife's not gonna let me do that, okay? But look at that. That's pretty cool. I think the only thing that I think is not cool on here, if I had to complain about something, which I wouldn't because I love it, it's probably have my Semper Fidelis, you know, cut out of there. But that's not the image I sent them, so I understand why it's like this, okay? But I love it. All right, so my room, my rules. I got my Eagle Global anchor. Hey, you can't beat that, right? That thing is awesome. I love it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.